Accessibility Act, passed on 2005, aimed to make Ontario fully accessible by 2025.
Here at Ryerson, we've also developed a university-wide initiative, Access Ryerson, to remove barriers and encourage full participation of all community members. Despite all these efforts, we're still seeing buildings on campus that are either challenging or inconvenient to access.
One example is the podium. Built in 1971, the podium serves as the central hub for various key student services and activities, including the Access Center for students with disabilities. One major challenge is the irregular wooden structure on the first floor outdoor platform. Even with mobility device in hand, people with visual impairment are still very likely to bump into the sharp corner when they make a left turn. Several relatively minor obstacles were also discovered. This narrow passage on the outdoor platform makes it hard for wheelchair users to pass through easily. This column standing in the middle walkway, connecting the podium and the library building, poses safety threats to the visually impaired. And most signage in the building lack braille, even for classrooms on the third floor, which students with accessibility issues are likely to be using as well. We realize that modifications of structural units in the building requires more thorough planning. But some simple solutions, such as installing additional railings to guide people with visual impairment in the case of obstacles in the pathway, as well as a full migration to signage with braille throughout the building, could easily improve the overall experience of community members with accessibility issues.